What's up, guys? This is my B20Vtec setup, Civic Si coupe. Today I'm going to show you the motor setup. A lot of people have been asking what type of setup the car has. I'm going to show it to you right now. Alright, so over here we have a B20Vtec 2.0 Civic Si. GSR cams. We have GSR cams, we have ARP head studs, we have a fuel pressure gauge, we have an AEM fuel pressure regulator, we have AEM fuel rail with the AN, with the fuel filter replaced with the AN lines. We have an AN intake cold air intake cold air system, right? 1320 toda headers, and there it is. B20B JDM motor. The head is let's see. The head is PR3 B16 head. We have NGK spark wires, NGK iridium spark plugs, Aebs intake manifold. We have a 70mm intake throttle body. We have an oil catch cam. We have innovative motor mounts. We have a aftermarket Yonaka radiator. Obviously it has the AC. It has a power steering. There it is. Innovative motor mounts. So it's an ARP head stud, stock cam gears, ARP head studs, 2-layer head gasket, S2k Cmc. What else? EM1 V16 transmission, original transmission that came with the car. Clutch line. Yeah. Simple setup. Golden Eagle kit. Simple setup. I mean, this car was moving for what it is, you know? Let's hear it a little bit. Let's hear it. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Alright, let's close the hood. Let's see how the car looks. Hood closed. Little rust bucket hood, but that's all good. So this is what it looks like. B20Vtec EM1 Si. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Gonna do a little exhaust clip for you guys. So you guys can see. This is it. Here it is, 3-inch exhaust all the way back. Interior is pretty decent, not too shabby. Got back seats, full interior. So simple setup. This is what it is right here. That's the fabricator right there. That's the fabricator. I'll do a little exhaust. Here it is. Alright. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. Getting ready to sell the car.
Bye.